the Champs?
Since Battle of the Champions ito, syempre mataas yung expectations. Yung mga pinanalo nila before, dapat level up pa sa kung ano yung pinakita nila dati. Kailangan ma-feel ng audience at saka ng judges na champions po ang naglalaban ngayon. So again, champions ang maglalaban. Hindi kayo mga contestants nasa standards and expectations namin sa inyo lahat. Sana mag-level up lang. Thank you.
And lastly, thank you so much. May isa pa pala. Okay, ano yung masasabi mo for the Battle of the Champions since ikaw ay isa sa ating mga judges for today?
So malaki talaga expectation namin regarding sa Battle of the Champs. So kaya ang Battle of the Champions, so hindi namin pa sila and just enjoy the stage and be yourself.
Enjoy the stage. Ano, pwede gawin.
Liam P. cosplaying as Lucky the movie from One Piece. Bakit si Lucky the movie? Why not other characters?
My favorite anime of all time. It's one of my favorite shows of all time. And when I was invited out here, I wanted to do a cosplay that like required some mechanics. So I thought that I could do like Luffy stretching arms. And it was pretty